Dana Cardboard Hobby, we are cracking 2023 Hit Parade Football Lite Edition 3-box eBay break. January 22nd, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got TODHAPPE 0 with the Broncos and the Rams. D-Laker 1 with the Buccaneers. Orange Moogs with the Raiders, Giants, and the Redskins. SHFL_4767 with the Titans. RYSOL_36 with the Saints. Van Beeka 1 with the Seahawks. TARANAY1978 with the 49ers. Dano Bravo 78 with the Patriots. DIMCG_8238 with the Steelers. D-Laker 1 also with the Chargers. Salty Sports 2020 with the Eagles. GVSU333 with the Dolphins. PRIOLO-AC with the Browns, Cardinals, and the Bears. Jinwin 8089 with the Jets. We got ANGDISIL-94 with the Vikings. PATDICK_99 with the Chiefs. EDFR_6 with the Panthers, Jaguars, and the Colts. MOR_911960 with the Texans. DY Barrow_0 with the Ravens. COERERI_M6YAZ1G with the Packers. SENKUS3 with the Lions. One Rookie 1 with the Cowboys and the Bills. Joe Burr 09 with the Bengals. And ROBCA 9219 with the Falcons. That is your full lineup. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3 boxes. Hit Parade 2023 Football Light Edition Series 4. Box number 99 out of 350. Let's get our first box open, guys. 1 hit per box. Always love the Hit Parade products. Plastic coming off here. Let's crack the seals. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box 1, hit number 1. Coming at you. We've got how about a Stefon Diggs draft picks Prism rookie auto? Wow, how about that? 2015 collegiate draft picks football. Wow, how about that? A Diggs rookie auto. Mr. Stefon Diggs, gorgeous hit there. Your Bills strike first. Bills owned by one, rookie 1. Congrats. What a beautiful Stefon Diggs rookie auto out of Prism Draft Picks. Very nice hit. Congrats to the Bills. Gorgeous Stefon Diggs rookie auto. All right, box number 2. Box number 116 out of 350. Cracking the seals. All right, here we go. Box 2, hit number 2, coming at you. We've got your Panthers, Luke Kuechly, Topps Chrome rookie auto. Very nice hit there for the Panthers. Very nice, Luke. Luke Kuechly autograph. Rookie autograph out of Topps Chrome 2012. Topps Chrome. Very nice hit for your Panthers. Very nice, Luke Kuechly. Panthers on the board. Your Panthers owned by EDFR_6. Congrats. Got yourself a gorgeous Luke Kuechly. Topps Chrome. Rookie auto. Very nice hit there for your Panthers. Box number 2 down. Box number 3 coming at you. Box number 121. Out of 350. Here we go. Plastic coming off. Let's crack the seals. All right, guys, box 3, hit number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 3. We've got... It's hiding in there. It's hiding in there. We have a... Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Out of Absolute Football. Absolute Legends. Auto. Numbered 5 out of 10, too. 5 out of 10 right there. Out of 2022 Absolute Football. Very nice here for the Colts. Jonathan Taylor auto. Out of 10, too. 5 out of 10 for your Colts. Your Colts owned by EDFR_6. Congrats. Got yourself a gorgeous Jonathan Taylor auto. 5 out of 10. Gorgeous hit there. Congrats to the Colts. Out of box number 3. Let's run back through our hits, guys. We had the Jonathan Taylor. 5 out of 10 auto out of 2022 Absolute. Camera to focus. There it goes. 5 out of 10 there, too. Gorgeous hit there for your Colts. Luke Kuechly, Topps Chrome. Rookie auto for your Panthers. Very nice hit for the Panthers there. And we started out with a Stefon Diggs. Prism Draft Picks. Rookie auto. How about that for the Bills? Very, very nice hit there for your Bills. On the Diggs. Very, very nice hit there. 3 beautiful hits. I want to thank everyone so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, we do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. We got a great break schedule all week long as well. I'll be sticking around. We still have another break coming up at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is your 2023 Topps Chrome Black Baseball 6-box, half a case eBay break. Thank you so much again for all your support, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.